The talk on the street, challenging times ahead for Nifty traders, getting the market call right now hinges entirely on the direction of oil. Investors across globe find themselves in the middle of economic and geopolitical chaos amidst a hot war in the Middle East, with WTI oil prices flirting with $100 a barrel. As per the latest, Trump has said that the US will obliterate Iran's power plants if Strait of Hormuz not open before 48-hour deadline. Iran warns it will retaliate against all US-linked energy infrastructure in the Middle East if its power plants are attacked. Our call of the day, predicting Nifty's direction based on economic and geopolitical chaos amidst a hot war in the Middle East, is an empty and risky bet. For the day, Nifty support is seen at 22,750 mark. Buying advised only above Nifty's major hurdles at 23,857. Asterisk long story short, expect volatility to be the hallmark as the 48-hour ultimatum issued by Donald Trump to Iran regarding the opening of the Strait of Hormuz is set to expire on Tuesday, 24 March 2026, at 5:14 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Bottom line, caution will be the buzzword. Stay cautious. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Friday's bullish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 5518 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 5706 crores. Sentiments are likely to be precarious for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate massive breakdown in a volatile trading environment. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped towards 22.80 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, was seen hovering near 93.59 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 0.78 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 0.80. Nifty outlook, risk appetite among Nifty bulls is likely to remain fragile. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 3115. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 22,709 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,376 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,900 and then at 23,300. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 74533. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 73,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 75,151 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 73,500 to 75,000. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 53427. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,600 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,700 and 54,000. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. Investors brace for a challenging week as the benchmark Nifty has dropped for the fourth consecutive week, as sharp swings underscore fragile sentiment and volatility becoming the new normal. Going ahead, bears shall continue to hold the upper hand unless oil prices cool off decisively. Adding to the pressure, foreign institutional investors, FIIs, have reportedly sold nearly 86,781 crore rupees in March. FY26 outflows have swollen to 3,02,376 crore rupees. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Tata Steel, plus 3.29%, 196 rupees and 77 paise. Tata Steel gained in Friday's trade after the company inaugurated its first scrap-based electric arc furnace (EAF) facility in India at Ludhiana, marking a significant step in its sustainability roadmap. 2. PN Gadgil, plus 0.91%, 570 rupees. PN Gadgil Jewellers gained after the company announced that it has crossed the 10,000 crore rupees revenue milestone in FY26, reflecting strong business momentum. 3. State Bank of India, SBI, plus 0.87%, 1,058 rupees. State Bank of India advanced as its arm SBIFM filed DRHP with Securities and Exchange Board of India for an IPO. 4. Reliance Industries, plus 2.14%, 1,414 rupees, was star outperformer in Friday's trade after the upstream oil stock rose after WTI crude oil prices surged towards $98 per barrel.